Welcome to 4604 West 166th Street. Beautiful and spacious 5-bedroom plus 3-bathroom house in Lawndale's most desired neighborhood. All on one level with no steps inside. Walk into dark wood floor living room with recessed lights. Open kitchen with granite countertop and dark cabinetry. Roomy formal dining area. Sizable bedrooms with ceiling fans. Updated bathrooms. Inside laundry area with washer and dryer. Freshly painted interior with brand new berber-style carpets in 4 bedrooms. Direct access from 2-car garage and a driveway large enough to park 4 additional cars. Private rear patio with small garden beds. All these within minutes from freeways, airport, shopping, restaurants, beaches, and more. Come enjoy a comfortable single-family home living. If you are interested in viewing this property in person, or if I can add value to any of your real estate dealings, reach out to me by leaving a comment below or by texting or emailing me directly. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.